The 2025 MQ-9 Reaper, structured in a coherent 1 background and general specs. The MQ-9 Reaper, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. Since its introduction in 2007, it has been a workhorse for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance ISR, and precision strike missions. Key characteristics include a 66 feet 20 m wingspan, a Honeywell TPE 331-10 turboprop engine, a 3,750 pounds payload capacity, and up to 30 hours of endurance in ISR mode, dropping slightly when fully armed. Its maximum unrefueled range is around 1,000 nautical miles, with a service ceiling near 50,000 feet. 2 2025 upgrades, cyber and defensive systems. A cybersecurity enhancements. In 2024-25, GAACI integrated Shift 5S onboard cyber anomaly detection and predictive maintenance platform. This system monitors the UAV's flight systems in real time, helping identify malicious code or system faults early. B. Airborne Battle Space Awareness and Defense ABOD pod. The 2025 model includes a new pod-mounted ABOD sensor suite, designed to detect and respond to RF and IR threats. This suite is a mobile early warning system to alert operators to surface-to-air threats, enhancing mission survivability in contested zones. See Sky Tower 2 Network Extension Pod. Marine Corps variants are being equipped with the Sky Tower 2 pod, enabling the MQ-9 to act as a communication relay and data sharing hub. Initial operational capability is expected in 2026, improving integration with joint forces and enhancing ISR coordination. Self-protection and decoy systems. Some 2025 models carry bright cloud decoy flares deployed via an AL-47 dispensers, upgrading their electronic self-defense suite to NATO STANAG 4871 standards. Discussions continue regarding adding TSOR electronic warfare pods, which reportedly offer enhanced radar evasion. 3 vulnerabilities and operational losses. Despite these upgrades, the Reaper still carries vulnerabilities. From October 2023 through May 2025, at least 15 dozens of MQ-9s were lost, most to Houthi-fired missiles, resulting in over 500 million in losses. These losses expose the Reaper's susceptibility to even moderately capable air defense systems, prompting calls for either stealthier or more expendable drone alternatives. 4 global fleet enhancements. International operators have also upgraded the MQ-9 platform. Netherlands added maritime radar, comms relays, extended range tanks, and new ESM capabilities, and plans weapon integration Hellfire missiles, GBU bombs. France is negotiating endurance increases to 30 hours in ISR, 24 hours armed, and addition of SIGINT pods and self-defense systems. Additionally, some Reapers now feature upgraded SITCOM systems, delivering higher quality voice, data, and video streams. 5 Future evolution and stealth potential. The U.S. Air Force is investigating a next-generation MQ-9 design, a stealthier variant with low radar thermal footprint and possibly a hybrid electric engine. This development is a direct response to evolving air defense threats. 6 Assessment and outlook. Strengths and mission value. Exceptional endurance and payload capacity remain unmatched by smaller ISR drones. Robust upgrades boost survivability, particularly in communications, cybersecurity, and threat awareness. Challenges and limitations. Persistent loss of high-value airframes underscores limitations in contested airspace. Even with ABOD and decoys, the 2025 Reaper is not stealthy enough to reliably operate in dense air defense environments. Future viability. The 2025 Reaper, with its defensive and cyber upgrades, represents a significant step forward, but it still faces strategic limitations. The emergence of stealthy replacements MQ-9 and the rise of low-cost, expendable drones e.g. FPV swarms suggest it may remain relevant primarily in permissive or semi-contested scenarios. Conclusion. The 2025 MQ-9 Reaper is a capable and significantly improved iteration of a proven platform. Cybersecurity systems, self-defense pods, network relay capabilities, and global interoperability upgrades collectively enhance its mission resilience. However, its size and non-stealth design still make it vulnerable to modern air defenses. In the near term, it's best suited for ISR, communications relay, and over-the-horizon strike missions in low to moderate threat zones. Long-term relevance will depend on the transition to stealthier MQ-9 models and strategic integration alongside a growing arsenal of cheaper, swarming drones.